Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming new Lenovo Legion is teases with a 144Hz screen for the Legion gaming phone. Leaked video reveals core and specs. The Lenovo Legion will be officially unveiled in this month 22 July. For now, the company is ramming up the crowd with a few choices teasers. The latest touts the adventures of the 144Hz display for a gaming, not quite officially, but a leaked video offers the first glimpse at Legion OS, which is based on Lenovo ZUI 12, itself based on the Android 10. First, here are the official teasers. The Legion brand is aimed at gaming hardware from desktop through accessories and now phones too. And as you can imagine, 144Hz displays are a common theme among the brand's product to the increased clarity in a fast-paced games. As you can see, official teaser picture for a Legion 144Hz screen, a screenshot from the leaked video showing these specs. The video show an Avengers themed wallpaper along with the widget that shows CPU and GPU clock speed. There is a spec screen in the setting which reveal some surprising choice. The chipset is leaked is a just Snapdragon 865, even though it should be a faster N plus version. But check it out, the RAM on the 6 GB of DDR5 gaming phone are likely to brag about such thing as RAM capacity more than most. The storage is not a huge either, 128 GB with a UFS 3.0. Lenovo has hinted that there will be a more capable Pro edition of the phone, so this will be the non-Pro model. The Pro is expected to be equipped with a 16 GB plus 512 GB memory, UFS 3.1 to boot. There are some impressive specs here through like the 90-volt fast charging, which will be featured in all Legion phones. On this phone, it will be charging 5000 mAh battery. The dual speakers with 65mm drivers should produce rocking sound. It will be helped by the U engine with the dual liner motor for haptic feedback, and then there is 144Hz refresh rate, of course coupled with a 270Hz touch sampling rate so that the phone can react to your input as quickly as possible. So guys, 144Hz refresh rate smartphone with 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB memory, and 90-watt super fast charging. So this phone is coming, and this is the Lenovo Legion. Some specs and some leaked spec. Let's see in upcoming days, and let me know in the comment section, are you like this phone? This is the best gaming smartphone after the Asus ROG Phone 3 maybe. And let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.